Hello, today we are over in Westgate. It is in West Greeley. It's one of the furthest west subdivisions that is being built currently on the Highway 34 corridor as you come into Greeley. Very close to hospitals, shopping, restaurants, schools. It's a great location to be in. Today we are here with Meritage Homes in Westgate. We are going through their Twin Peaks model. So come along with me as we explore the Northern Colorado Front Range for the life you are building. As you can see, this house is a two-story home and it has a two-car garage. Every home with Meritage in this Westgate community is the same, not floor plan, but they're all 2 stories and they all have 2-car garages. So if that is the product you are looking for, this is where you want to be. You can see that we're kind of close to the highway if you can hear that highway noise, but once you're inside this home, you will never hear that. This is one of the few builders that has spray foam insulation. So you probably won't be able to notice that on this video, but wanted to point that out to you. So come along with me, let's go. In this floor plan, as you walk in, you come into a small office. I'm going to give you a little shoot so that we don't catch everybody in the office today, but I'll turn around so you can see the front door, kind of get an idea of how we come into the office here. As you'll notice, the office is carpet, but then we come into an EVP product. Through here, we have a little half bath. Okay, and then further down, you'll see where we go upstairs into the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. Nice open space here. There is a little closet and as well as a pantry, which is really nice. Some additional storage. This is like a coat closet. There is not one in the main entry, but there is one here. Nice big pantry. One thing to point out here in Meritage is that they do have hard surface counters throughout. So in their kitchens and their baths, you can either get quartz or granite. And gas ranges are standard and they all vent to the exterior as well. So huge upgrade there that most builders are not offering. They're also offering the fridge. You'll see they have kind of the farmhouse full sink here and quite a bit of cabinetry in this kitchen, as you see as I walk around as well. Okay, I came back in the corner for a little bit more of the view of the open layout here. There is quite a bit of space here for the table. Usually when you see this type of floor plan, it's not a very big table. You can see this one seating 6. Here is your garage entry to that 2-car garage we were talking about, and then your patio as well. This smaller slab patio is standard. They do not offer backyards or fencing. You can upgrade that, but that's probably one of the only things that you could add. These are all spec homes. None of them are being built from the ground up. One great thing you'll notice in this model home is this is what you get. So there are not any upgrades in here. This is all standard that you're seeing. So you won't be fooled like some of the other models when you come in where they have all the bells and whistles. This one's not like that. This is what you get. Okay, I spared you the pain of hearing me walk up the stairs, but in this plan, it's really nice. There's this really nice size loft here. You can see they have it set up kind of as a second living room. It is in between the bedrooms, so it works great in a lot of different ways. Office, kids space. You'll see the laundry is up here with all of the bedrooms, and the washer and dryer are being offered as well. I'm sure you've noticed some of these signs around. This one says climate sealed home, and they've left the attic open to show you that they all of their homes are standard with this spray foam. If you can see that there, they have this thermostat. You can't really see, but it's saying that the temperature up in the attic is the same as it is in the home. They have 2x6 construction here, also very rare for a semi-custom home builder or spec home builder, even more so to have that offered. Here you see one of the bedrooms. It is on a little bit of the smaller side, but you can see they have quite a bit that's in here. between the desk, the side tables, and the day bed as well. That is a twin size bed, if that gives you any indication of size for that. I'm going to save the best for last, the primary suite. So first off, this is a 3-bedroom floor plan. As you'll see, this room is a little bit bigger than that last one. These 2 rooms are on the front of the house. Here they have dual vanities in this secondary bathroom. You'll see, like I mentioned, the hard counters. They have the EVP flooring in here as well. And another thing to mention, that all of their homes have tiled showers. Again, very rare for these more tract builders. A little storage linen closet there. And then this 3rd bedroom here on the back side of the house. Looking out this window here, you can get a little better idea of where we are located. You can see Highway 34 there, as well as the new Greeley Hospital, the UC Health Hospital that's been built. We're looking at St. Michael subdivision across the way there. And then in this community too, you can kind of see there is a pool, but that is for the townhomes there, not for the use of these particular homes. Okay, like I said, best for last here. This is a really large primary suite. I'm pretty sure this is a king size bed, and then you'll see these end tables, and I don't know if you can get the scope of the size here, but they're actually really large. So there is a ton of room in here. And then here you come into the primary ensuite, has that EVP flooring, those hard countertops like I spoke about with the double sink, the fully tiled shower, a private potty, and then a good size primary suite closet. You'll see too, they don't have the wire shelving. They do have the nice built-in shelving here. Nice and bright, nice big windows. Take you back in here one more time so you can see the large scale windows that are in here. And that is the 2nd floor. Okay, so a couple of things just to know and reiterate here. The fridge, the washer dryer, the blinds, they are all included. The gas range is an inclusion. So those are not upgrades. They are all standard. The fully tiled baths, the EVP flooring throughout, the granite and quartz countertops, blinds. So in a lot of builders' options, those will increase the price. Here, the price for this style home, the Twin Peaks, which is a 2,241 square foot home, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage and this loft flex space, as well as that office downstairs. Price is $499,990 currently. And with their preferred lender, they're offering a 4.5% rate plus a $5,000 builder concession as well. And that's a fixed rate right now, you guys, which is huge when we're talking in the 6s when you're getting a mortgage on a resale home. You could step into one of these with a considerably lower rate, and if you came in with extra cash and wanted to buy down your rate further, you could certainly do that too. Just wanted to point out again that this is 2x6 framing here, and it has that spray foam insulation. So again, huge upgrades, drywalled and insulated garage too. So lots of things that you're not seeing offered by these other builders, you will find here. Additionally, some electronic updates that you're going to find are going to be, there's a video doorbell that comes standard on all of them, a keyless entry keypad on the front door, as well as a touch screen thermostat that has access to your phone as well. So those little things add up over time when you're coming into a home and buying it brand new, but then you're adding in all of these things like blinds and thermostats that you're looking for, or ring doorbells, or any of that type of thing. So all of those are being offered at the prices here. There are 5 floor plans in this subdivision from Meritage that they're offering, and they're in the range of $430,000 for their smaller one to $525,000. So great pricing here, and like I said, great rates that are being offered right now. The rates change all the time, so if this rate is favorable for you, this area looks great, call me today. Let's come and take a look at some of these.